Hello guys, and it's the Buffins again. Today we're gonna play Save Lightning with Queen Obby. Don't mind what we're playing. And yeah, let's get started.
We're doing,
Oh yeah, that's a race, Alina.
Okay, what we're doing, guys, is doing a race. Whoever's lost has to do a punishment, either pour
Yeah.
like random custom stuff in a smoothie, or drink a lemon, or hot
Yeah.
sauce.
Alina, wait.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh wait, that's so slow. Hey! Yeah. So Sigma.
You are too slow.
I'm so Sigma.
It's easy, bro.
Why is it so laggy?
I'm winning.
Ah, flip.
I'm still Sigma. That's what I'm winning.
Wait for me, guys.
This is a race. I can't wait for it.
I know.
No,
Oh yeah, I forgot you can double jump.
my feet.
Oh, I need to lock in, bro. I don't want to drink that
Okay,
smoothie.
look in. Oh, we're like Naruto. Front flip. Oh! Die.
Ow.
Oh, I love this game. Oh. What is it?
Come on. No!
Go down, man. Oh, I just got hit by a building.
You got hit by a building.
Wait, I didn't. No, okay.
Oh.
I just
I'm so cooked.
Oh, I slippy in the black water. The black puddle.
Wait, where am I supposed to go? Oh, that's where you're supposed to
How am I
go.
supposed to get out of this, bro? The truck is so annoying.
It's so laggy. Wait,
How am I supposed to?
what's
Wait,
even
the truck is
happening
coming.
in my
Always coming
thing?
for me.
What's
They're
even
always coming
happening?
for me. I go past the trucks. I made it. Before I died. Baby. Don't touch me. How did you see me? I'm waking
Where even is Bubba,
up.
bro?
I'm waking everyone. Oh!
How are you waking everyone up?
Just don't tip too many. Wait, how am I supposed to not do that? How am I supposed to stop? How am I supposed to get rid of that? How am I supposed to stop that? It's Cheater McGreeter.
Oh my gosh! What was that? I think that's not like this big thing. Okay, don't worry. Wake everyone up and then I'll just run.
No, bro, you have like 2 seconds to run.
Ah! Why is it like that? I don't like that.
Why is it so hard, bro? How are we supposed to get past
Okay.
it?
Okay. Just don't tip. Okay.
Look, how are we supposed to get past?
How are we supposed to get past that? Just here?
Oh, wait, don't
How
go
did you
in-
make it?
Don't go in. Wait, guys, don't go in the line of sight.
Where's the line of sight? Oh.
Hey,
Ah!
bro.
Alina, how did you beat that?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't
I
know?
don't want to touch you.
How did I do? Oh my gosh. This is so dumb.
I didn't even touch you.
I'm so dead. What is this?
How did Aliana get past?
I don't know. She just randomly did it.
I don't know. How did Aliana get past?
Don't jump. What do you mean don't jump?
Like, try and stay away from as far as you can from them.
Oh, finally we
wait,
did
it's
it.
easy. Go, 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 go.
Let's go.
Oh no.
Not losing this.
Come on, I'm not losing it, bro.
Oh,
Come on,
even
I
more.
know.
There's even more.
Okay, this is really hard, man. I don't even know what to do. I can't even see. It's pitch blacky.
No!
Where do we go?
Go, let me go. Let me go. Team green.
Ah! Oh, I thought we were supposed to die. Where are you supposed to go?
I can't tell you, bro. It's a race.
I know. Oh, there it is.
Surplus. Go, go, go. Okay, now it's finally back in business.
Are we
I can do this. Like my
What? How did he get me? I was all the way there.
Don't alert them. I can't see.
Someone has a
I
jumping
only got 17. I only got 17. I'm only at 14.
I don't know.
Wait, Alex, you're still on 11?
12! Oh my gosh.
Stop. Stanley.
Who is the founder of Ray? I don't know. Doc Henderson. Stanley.
Okay.
No! Okay.
Owen Wilson. Which other?
Oh my gosh, I'm so cooked.
It's like everything's spinning. Like Party World. Party World. Wait, I'm at the phone. At the phone. Oh no.
Oh, you're not supposed to tap on the tires? My bad, bro. Mine! Go on, jump! You go-
This is like a fever dream. Why is all of these zombies like? What am I playing?
That level actually sucked.
What is happening? I don't even know what's happening in this world anymore.
What?
I'm
I
not the exits.
actually never watched the Cars movie.
I never even watched the movie.
Yeah.
What is it? We're gonna get kidnapped. We're gonna go in a truck.
Stanley?
Cutscene. Oh, I'm in prison. I went to prison. High security prison jail.
No, it's roommate. Oh.
High security prison
I
jail.
don't like this anymore. Oh my gosh, I'm so good.
Oh no, high security prison jail. I'm gonna get caught by the prison jail. I'm gonna get caught by the police. Police are gonna get me. Well, okay, this is kind of crazy. I'm back at the police jail. Good police jail.
Come on.
It's only because of that one level I was lost.
I can't do this, bro. I can't escape prison. This is so hard. He's going through the wall. He's cheating right here. This is impossible. I hate this so much. I hate this level. So much harder.
Wow.
Oh, I made it.
Wait, Bubba, if the video's too short, should we play another obby game?
How many more of the police jails? Police obbies. Oh no.
Why is there a whole cutscene for this? What happens?
Oh my god, what is this whole map? I'm in a whole jet prison. How is I so fast? Wait, you can't touch him?
Oh, this is the same level in the Minions.
Why is there's so much like big bubbly balloons?
Affirmative.
They're all cheating. Here,
Come on, I'm almost there.
I hope you don't get there.
what is this game? What is this game?
Well, it's a race. What the heck? Why is there so much police cars?
Yeah, I'll take it. I'm gonna see. What is this game?
Running back. Taking over.
Legendary. Clever. My inner demon.
No! So cooked. Just
No.
please spare me. I've been through enough.
I can't do this anymore.
No!
But what I have to do is press.
Dog, just get me to 29. I don't get Owen Wilson.
Alex, you have to press the red button. I'm helping. Oh my god, I'm getting hit.
I know, what's...
He's trying to waste your time. They're coming. They're like.
I found out I need to go climb all again.
Yo, how am I supposed to run
Dog,
past that?
just get me to the thing.
Oh, you can run into. Oh, you run. Oh, you can do that. That's f***ing weird. Doc died. Doc blew up. No, Doc died. Wait, how did you?
Talk!
Died. Rip Doc.
Oh my gosh!
He didn't rip it.
Look at that.
Why do I go so slow? Make me go fast now.
Oh my gosh.
Make me go fast.
Okay, I shouldn't have turned on
I'm
turbo.
lucky.
Oh.
How am I supposed to get?
How is Frank even gonna get to us? What the heck?
What the freaky?
Oh my gosh!
What even happened? What's so scary?
I just realized Frank was there. He's right behind me. He's right behind me, isn't he?
He's right behind me, isn't he? Wait. There's like. Which one needs to live? I slept.
Slipped.
No. I have to go to Goku Juice.
I am a core!
I have to
Yeah,
go
sure
to
you
Goku
are,
Juice.
Aliena.
Oh, I want to double jump. I don't
Alright,
want
no, I'm winning.
Hi, Aliena.
Oh, Aliena's catching up with me.
to. Alright, that's it. I'm doing turbo mode.
How do you even do turbo mode?
Turbo!
Cars. Oh my god. Yeah. They're coming.
How am I supposed to do this? What the heck? Oh my gosh! Sorry.
We only
Sorry,
have
sorry.
like 10. Oh my god, they're coming in again.
No,
Oh,
stop!
they're ledges.
Pit stop.
The cars are coming.
Oh no.
Oh, they only go on the Sigma parts. The idiot.
I turned into
Idiot.
a person. That's not to listen.
Okay. I finally caught up. No! I wasted my time.
I got a star. Wait, Aliena's now lost. She was first, now she's lost.
Poo poo Ali.
What people are you stop?
Pooh Ali. Where's Ali? Pooh Ali.
Oh my gosh.
Sigma.
Why is that Mario Kart stuff in here?
Okay, I died. This is so hard, bro.
Okay.
Aliena just got here now. Died.
No! Wrong one.
They're burning. Too easy. This is the beginning of the whole game. Who's the main rival?
No!
Anchor.
Tomato.
Anchor.
Oh, this is so annoying!
Run.
Are you guys in front?
Popo! Yeah, I'm the first. Oh no, the Popo are coming. You guys want to do another one after this? To make the video longer?
Adam's lost. Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, because it's like...
None of them are working!
They can work like points. Like, oh, you win one game, you get 1 point.
How wanted am I? I'm really wanted.
Hot topic!
No, okay, that isn't good.
Cutscene.
This is not good.
I caught up. Biggest comeback of the century, bro. Ka-chow! Only the... Why are we using music?
Flying!
Dinico... I don't know how to... It's all mine. Poof! They use that same picture over and over again in each thing. Who even is that? Awesome kids named George and Harold. We're so good, me too. But they had no good, mean principal named Mr. Crab. Blah, 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 you think. Blah. Mr. Crab tried to separate them, so they hypnotized him. You will be us, yeah. They made him into superhero.
Come here.
Why you guys that?
Get in.
Okay.
Caption
Again,
on
wait.
the hut.
Here. I won this point, so it's a tiebreaker between Bubba and Aliena. 3, 2, 1, go!
So lucky.
My point won't count because I already done the other one, so it's a tiebreaker between. Yeah. You know who. So much nostalgia, bro. I remember playing the captain. I remember playing the
I was like,
Lightning McQueen one when I was like really little. I actually can't remember anything. Yeah, Baba?
yeah,
What were you gonna say?
game brings lost. Serious.
I remember playing this one. I already played this one like long time ago.
The last one.
I got the last one as well.
I got the last one.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay.
Speed run.
Who hasn't done yet? Who?
That's Elena.
Hey, wait.
Italian still hasn't finished.
Hasn't I already finished? Because look, there's no more candies.
Then head to the gate. There's one left, it said. You have to look for it. You have to go around. Just go
I'm
around.
trying to stop.
Okay. Ah, so scary. Hey, jerk. Remember me? The turbo toilet? You blew me up using the power of music. Ringing any bells? Back as a ghost, and I want revenge.
Wait, is it Obby? No, Obby. I mean, a bus one.
Boing. You literally just have to throw toilets at him. Finally.
No, my God.
Seem pretty legit. Sidekicks, let's do it.
Oh, God. Invincible.
You're invincible? Wow.
This guy is
Have you not killed the toilet yet?
Wait, you haven't killed it? You killed it?
Yeah, I already killed it. You have to just speed run to end. You. Yeah. Don't worry, my point doesn't count. It only counts between you two. See, I'm locked in now.
I killed him.
Where?
Because I died, Alex. That's why you got a head start.
Yeah. Aliena's the last one because she's still doing the toilet.
Still in the toilet?
Yeah, she's still on the toilet. Okay, she finished.
Finished?
I'm on the zombie one.
I'm on the Obby.
Okay. I remember doing the Greg Heffley one like a long time ago.
That's, yeah, I was gonna do
Huh?
me, my eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Got the dagger. Here we go.
Come on, do the Halloween dying. Dang.
I died already. I'm in the zombies.
Okay.
I used to remember this so far.
Yes.
Oh yeah, towards later in the game, there's actually like a horror section.
Yeah.
It's actually like, it's like a real horror game.
Oh yeah, I remember that part. I did that before.
I hate that part, bro. It's the hardest part, bro.
Yeah.
This part is better now.
Mhm. Oh my gosh, I died.
I'm done. Oh. Yeah, you see the one with the black hair and the red eye? That's the one I hate.
Oh,
In the loading screen,
let's go. Give me candy. Should have known that. Spooky pants. Poopy pants. Oh, this one, I'm on the part.
You're in that part.
Yeah, I'm on that part like right
I
now.
don't even know where he is now.
Okay, I finished. Pressed all the buttons.
You finished already? Are you serious?
Yeah.
You're serious, because I can't even, like, find him.
It points to it.
I gotta go go straight to the shadow realm.
It's not even that scary.
It's not scary. It's just that I don't like
The next
it.
thing I know, she got frogs.
Just go press the buttons and stuff.
Wait, I can't jump.
You can't jump.
He's coming for me. I can see his red eyes.
Just go into one of the rooms.
You can't go in the rooms? What do I do now? I press all the buttons.
Oh, go to that stair. It'll point to it. You know, like on top of the stairs. Just go through that door.
I sleepy in the bathroom.
Sleepy, you pee pee in the bathroom. You slip on toilet water.
Wait, they just cheated.
What happened?
Bro, Bruno Mars is playing Agile. Wait, where do we go, Alex? Where do we go? We go up.
Head up to the gate. He ate a bit too much of the Halloween candy. That's why he doesn't have anything to serve. Head for the gate.
Oh no! Oh my god. What kind of music is playing?
Was your music playing? I can't hear any music because of the Discord.
It's like playing some kind of...
Ow! Tra-la-la.
How many stages are
I'm going to scare you to pieces. I don't know. You can't even catch up to me, ex-sidekick.
Yeah. I swear to God,
I think Alina's cut.
Wait, Alion's... Why is it at stage 1?
I don't know.
Wait, why is Alion on stage 1?
It made me go back to stage 1.
Okay, wait, fine, we'll wait for you. We'll have to wait for you. You teleported back to 15, go.
Oh, okay, that's good. I think she actually misclicked.
Yeah. Oh, wait, no, she might have pressed on that, go back to the stage. You know, like, how the one on the side of your screen? I think you can, like, go back on the one. Tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la, and...
No, every time he says that, I remind him of
Tra-la-la,
tra-la-la.
tra-la-la.
Oh. I fell all...
I don't like this.
Oh, my God.
Oh my god, how much is slip?
Aliana. Just at least please try, because...
I am.
Okay.
Oh, though.
I literally did that, like... Oh, never mind, it's okay. I don't even know what... Spooky Pants was turned back into normal. Thank you, sidekick. Me too! Okay. Poopy Pants tried to act sorry so he wouldn't be punished. Please have mercy. After you've scrubbed off all the floors in school, then we can talk about mercy. Dot, dot, dot. Why is Krusty Krabs here, bro?
Why is he back?
Flipperama.
Push him away.
You saved me. Congratulations on completing your quest, hero. Now let's get down at the Halloween bash. Huh?
You done?
I'm at the end. Bro, why is Sans? Why is Greg and Sans here, bro? Turn around, kids. And today, I forgot. We're doing the thing part. Guess what I put in there? Mystery for Alina. She can try. She's gonna try it. We're gonna blow out the faces. Go try it. So yummy. Are you excited? Let's see. Just cover your nose. I think I put too much. And can only have a spoonful.
Now it's watery. Why'd you put...
I put chocolate and syrup in there, so you like it. Yeah, I did. I think I put it in the smoothie. Aftermath. This looks disgusting. I'm actually kind of scared to eat it. I'm gonna try.
No.
Yeah.
You're supposed to drink it.
Okay.
No. Other side. Other side. You got it on your teeth. Don't drink all of it.
That tastes so bad. Why did I do that? I'm gonna eat a cookie now.
Hillary, eat your cookie.
Because I wanted to see what the loser tastes like. But I guess.
Look, guys, I'm gonna
Yeah.
put a cookie in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Try more. Generous. Basically, I just put chocolate syrup. Yeah. So there's like lemon sauce and lemon juice in there. Sriracha, chocolate syrup. I think I got some water, milk. I don't know. Whatever I can find in my fridge.
Why
Well-
did you put milk?
Because I did. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.